I have another ornament idea uh, to add yet another one to the collection for this year's ideas for all the different ornaments. And it is focus. That one there. I'm calling it the Hyperborean Icicle. And they are two halves. And when you connect them together, you get the Hyperborean crystal icicle. So that's the other one. I mean, once again, it's another prototype kind of design. And unfortunately, I don't have the means to actually set up a good way of doing some kind of a tutorial to making these things if somebody's interested. But what I can tell you is this last one here, for example, those are 20-degree triangles, and those ones are 35. And that's how the tree ornament. And same thing with the of course now it's not going to give me the better side of here. Let me just hold it there. So this one is the same thing. They're 20 degrees. In fact, everything is 20 degrees. And if you make two sections, okay, and you put them together with like the tails joining each other, it gives you this kind of a shape, a Hyperborean type of a crystal icicle. Anyway, I think it looks kind of cool. That would look really nice as an ornament in the tree. And yeah, these things, a part of it, these ideas come to me, and it does take me a while. I have to tinker around and and try things, and sometimes I come up with something and sometimes I don't, and usually if it's worth sharing, I will do so. So that is, I mean, I'm not going to say never, but I think that's the last one, my ornament kind of ideas for this year. And just as a little side kind of note here, this is something I've been thinking about for a while, but actually finally got around to doing it. Now I have just a baseball hat here. It's decent quality. It's cotton, and I wanted to. I had the idea of winterizing a baseball hat, and what I did was I had an old wool sock where it was starting to get holes in it, and that's okay. You can repair the odd hole or two, but it also started losing its elasticity, and it just wasn't working anymore. And I did save it because it was a good quality wool, and I thought, I'll find a use for it one day in the future. And then the idea came to me, and I forgot about the idea, and eventually I went around to. So I've started it. I've started. I put the first piece in there, as you can see, and I've got enough to do the little bits that are left over in there after. So I'm just kind of gluing that in there, and I thought that's a neat idea for somebody who is kind of resourceful, and perhaps they think that this could be an idea that is useful for them, that they want to add some warmth to their baseball hat, to the point where you can wear it for most days of the winter, right? And that's all I've got to say today. So one last look at the Hyperborean crystal.